Hey everyone, welcome to the AI Work Buddy mini course. I'm Mike Alton, your guide on this exciting journey to unlock new levels of productivity and innovation with the power of AI. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an AI Work Buddy? Well, imagine having a tireless assistant, a creative brainstorming partner, and a strategic advisor all rolled into one. That's the power of an AI Work Buddy. It's an AI-powered assistant designed to help you excel in your role, offering support, insights, and a fresh perspective whenever you need it. Your AI Work Buddy isn't just a tool. It's a personalized companion on your professional journey. It learns from your interactions, understands your goals, and anticipates your needs, becoming an indispensable part of your workflow. Now, let's talk about the benefits of having an AI Work Buddy. Whether you're an entrepreneur, flying solo, an individual contributor, navigating the corporate jungle, or part of a small team, paddling the same canoe, an AI Work Buddy can be a game changer. It's like having a personal consultant available to you 24/7, providing you with the support, insights, and motivation you need to succeed. Think about those times you felt stuck or alone, wishing you had someone to bounce ideas off of, strategize with, or just lend an ear. Your AI Work Buddy is there for you, ready to listen, offer suggestions, and help you find solutions. Imagine having an extra pair of hands to help you with those tedious tasks that drain your time and energy. Your AI Work Buddy can handle scheduling meetings, answering emails, researching information, and even generating creative content, freeing you up to focus on what you do best. But it's not just about taking tasks off your plate. An AI Work Buddy can also help you increase your productivity by prioritizing tasks, managing your time effectively, and staying organized. It can even provide you with insights and recommendations to help you make better decisions and achieve your goals faster. And let's not forget about creativity. Your AI Work Buddy can be a valuable brainstorming partner, helping you generate new ideas and explore different perspectives. It can even help you overcome creative blocks and find innovative solutions to challenges. But the benefits don't stop there. An AI Work Buddy can also help you reduce stress and anxiety. It can take on some of your workload, providing you with emotional support, and even help you manage your work-life balance. Now, let's zoom out and consider the impact of AI Work Buddies on an entire organization. Imagine every employee having their own AI assistant, giving them an additional 10 hours a week to spend time with their family, work on other projects, or invest in thinking about long-term strategy. The compounding effect on productivity, innovation, and employee satisfaction would be tremendous. So, whether you're looking to boost your individual performance or transform your entire organization, an AI Work Buddy can be the key to unlocking your full potential. And in this mini course, I will guide you through the entire process step by step. We'll cover everything from defining your AI Work Buddy's role and personality to building its knowledge base and setting its limitations. I'll even share my own experiences and insights from using my AI Chief of Staff so you can learn from my successes and avoid my mistakes. While the instruction file you'll upload to your AI LLM of choice will have it ask you each question it needs to know, we'll walk through them all here so that you're prepared and understand your options. So if you're ready to unlock new levels of productivity, innovation, and success, join me on this exciting journey to create your own AI Work Buddy. I guarantee you won't regret it.